Liza Minnelli, a woman who didn't just inherit showbiz royalty, but redefined it. From Broadway brilliance to Hollywood glamour, her life has been a dazzling whirlwind of triumph, turbulence, and timeless artistry. What does it mean to live unapologetically in the spotlight? Buckle up, because we're diving into the electrifying world of Liza Minnelli. Liza Minnelli, a dazzling beacon of stage and screen, is the living embodiment of old Hollywood glamour infused with Broadway brilliance. Born into showbiz royalty on March 12, 1946, the daughter of silver screen icon Judy Garland and visionary director Vincente Minnelli, Liza was destined for stardom. She became a household name with her electrifying performance in Cabaret, 1972, where she embodied the charismatic and tragic Sally Bowles, earning an Academy Award for Best Actress. Her sultry, powerhouse vocals immortalized songs like New York, New York, a soaring anthem that cemented her place in entertainment history. Throughout her storied career, she graced both cinema and the stage, starring in films such as Arthur, 1981, and dazzling audiences with Tony-winning Broadway performances. Despite her luminous talent and undeniable legacy, Minnelli's net worth, estimated at around $50 million, fluctuated over the years due to extravagant spending and health battles, but her life has always been one draped in opulence and artistic triumph. Minnelli's personal life was as theatrical as her performances, with 4 marriages that unfolded like grand acts on a Broadway stage, each ending in dramatic crescendo. She first wed entertainer Peter Allen, a union marked by his closeted sexuality and eventual coming out. Her second husband, Jack Haley Jr., shared her Hollywood lineage, but their romance faded into friendship. Next came sculptor Mark Giro, their relationship proving as ephemeral as a fleeting melody. Finally, producer David Jest brought headlines and turbulence, ending in a divorce fraught with allegations and public spectacle. Despite these passionate but ill-fated unions, Minnelli never had children, choosing instead to devote herself entirely to her craft and legacy. Minnelli's homes reflected her eclectic and extravagant taste, spanning from a traditional 5-bedroom Beverly Hills retreat to a 500-square-foot mid-century modern Hollywood haven, designed by the legendary Harry Gesner, a stylish abode she shared with her second husband. But among her many glamorous residences, one stood out as a true work of art: her Manhattan apartment, a dazzling jewel nestled at 150 East 69th Street in the prestigious Imperial House, designed by Emery Roth. A testament to avant-garde sophistication and mid-century modern luxury, the apartment, sold in 2015 for $8.37 million, was not just a home, but a stage for creativity. Its walls infused with the artistic echoes of Andy Warhol's enhancements and Minnelli's singular flair. As you step into this lavish Manhattan sanctuary, you are greeted by an entryway that whispers elegance, lined with high-gloss lacquered walls that reflect the warm glow of recessed lighting. The living room is a grand performance in itself, with sweeping open spaces, floor-to-ceiling windows that bathe the room in natural light, and an art collection that reads like a who's who of 20th century masters. The space seamlessly blends the timeless allure of vintage Hollywood with contemporary sophistication. Think plush velvet seating, lucite coffee tables, and statement chandeliers that shimmer like a Broadway marquee. The kitchen, a sleek study in modern luxury, features gleaming marble countertops, custom cabinetry in deep ebony, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. A space designed for entertaining, it boasts an intimate breakfast nook with panoramic views of the city skyline, where Minnelli would sip her morning coffee, wrapped in silk, the twinkling lights of Manhattan stretching before her like an ever-changing stage set. The Master Suite is a sanctuary of serenity, where minimalist design meets theatrical drama. A custom 4-poster bed draped in rich, jewel-toned fabrics commands the space, while an expansive walk-in closet, more akin to a personal boutique, houses a treasure trove of designer ensembles and sequined relics from her storied career. The ensuite bathroom is a vision of spa-like tranquility, featuring a deep soaking tub set against a backdrop of Italian marble with gold fixtures that nod to old Hollywood opulence. The apartment's crown jewel is its private screening room, an intimate theater where Minnelli would retreat to relive the golden age of cinema. Plush, tiered velvet seating, vintage film posters adorning the walls, and state-of-the-art projection equipment created an ambiance of cinematic enchantment, a space where the magic of film was never far away. A personal gym, fitted with the latest equipment and mirrors, reminiscent of a Broadway rehearsal studio, offered a space for maintaining the vitality that defined her stage presence. Stepping out onto the expansive terrace, you find an urban oasis in the heart of the city. Lush greenery softens the modern lines, while stylish outdoor seating provides the perfect spot to sip champagne under the starlit Manhattan sky. Here, amid the hum of the city that never sleeps, Liza Minnelli's spirit lingers, a legacy of resilience, artistry, and a life lived unapologetically in the spotlight. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.